Yo, what's up, everybody? Good morning. Trying to get this mic set up. All right, good morning. What's going on? Wait on to get some people in here. What up, Doomslayer? Good morning. How's it going? All right, let me see. Trading game. What's up, bro? Well, how's it going? Let's get some music going, huh? Get some music on this morning. I just might not even play music this morning. All right, let's take a look at the markets here, though, dude. So here we go. I think one of my platforms isn't working for the streams, which kind of stinks. I think I'm banned on there. If you know which one I'm talking about. Dang, stinks, man. Oh well. All right. I'm about to look at the markets. Just hang on. Checking something out, dude. Making sure the live stream's looking good. All right. Let's do it, man. So I'm kind of thinking higher today. We'll see. Today there's Nvidia earnings after the market closes today, which is going to be, pretty crazy. So I'd be watching after the market closes, but I'm kind of I don't really know today, honestly. I think so let me show you what I'm looking at. So look, this is the weekly time frame, right? We tapped into this this weekly bullish fair value gap right here. You can see, let me pull this pin over. You can see right here, boom, this is a weekly bullish fair value gap. All right. The weekly bullish fair value gap, we tapped into it, boom, bounced up from there. So that's kind of making me think that we're going to be bullish today. But on the other hand, so that's the weekly time frame. We're tapping into this bullish fair value gap. But then look at this on the daily time frame. We also inverted this daily bullish fair value gap. So we inverted this gap here. So I'm pretty sure the weekly is going to be stronger here. We kind of tapped into this little shelf thing over here also. So so we tapped into the shelf thing and we tapped into the weekly bullish fair value gap. So now are we going to pump? That's the thing. Or is this daily gap going to make it play out to the bottom of this right here? So I'm trying to figure that out. We'll see. We'll see. But how's everybody doing? Oh yeah, a little early today. I think I may start doing it at this time again. We got to get some I may start doing it at 7. the early stream and then take a break and come back on with the premium. That's what I'm thinking about doing. So we got the previous day high sitting right up here, dude. Are we gonna go smack it? Smack the previous day high? We'll see, man. We will see. I'm trading the NASDAQ NQ futures, bro. NQ futures. All right, let's look at also. Let's look and see if there was any trades during the London session this morning. 3 o'clock. See if there was any London session trades. Here was a little something. How many points did this give? So this was, look, swept the Asian highs and then boom, closed below here. So how many points was it to this low? Got some trend line liquidity to the bottom down here. Just like that, trend line liquidity. And boom, that would have been a nice trade actually. That was a pretty good one. 22 points. Swept the Asian high. Got this first inversion right here. And then boom, trend line liquidity. This trend line liquidity makes it a good trade. Okay, guys, I'm going to need everybody to like the stream. We got to let everybody know that we're streaming back at 7 o'clock this morning. We're going to start back streaming at 7, I think. I think so. All right. And let me see here. Let me see what looks the cleanest for maybe a trade upcoming. 15-minute, we tapped into that. 30-minute. Okay, so look at this 30-minute time frame here. We got a 30-minute bullish fair value gap right here. $30-minute bullish fair value gap. Let's see if it's going to hold this. Got 13 minutes left in this 30-minute candle. So see if this 30-minute bullish fair value gap is going to hold. And it's going to continue up to take out the previous day high up here. Let's see if that's going to happen. Let me get some music turned on, guys.
$17K.
Oh yeah, dudes, we got the music rolling now. Let's get it. It's too loud. Is the music too loud though? me test. Let me test. Yo, bro, thanks for the follow. Let's go, dude. Appreciate that. I'm gonna test out the sound here, see if it's okay. I think we're sounding good, dude. Dude, it's on the screen, man. It's this is NASDAQ NQ Futures trading prop firms, dude. Does everybody know about prop firms? It's the quickest way to make a lot of money with a little bit. If you don't know about prop firms, just let me know and I'll explain it. But prop firms, dude, they can make you a lot of money. They can also, you know, and it protects your downside risk. That's the main thing about prop firms. So, man, it's crazy. Prop firms literally changed my life, bro. Dude, they even help my trading. I mean, I don't want to, like, you know, prop firms help my trading a ton. Because the rules actually helped me. Like when I started, dude, I used to go for like super high risk reward ratio, right? And like I would go for these home run trades, like literally every trade. But trading with a prop firm, they had these rules in place, like consistency rules and stuff. And dude, just taking my daily base hits, that helped my trading so much, dude. I mean, it completely turned it around, honestly. So the prop firms, they can be a big help. Like, it was crazy. Just taking that daily base hit, $200 to $400 a day, and then come back at the end of the month, dude, and you are killing it. Killing it. Manu, is actually not the quickest way to lose money. The quickest way to lose money would be depositing it in a live account and then, you know, blowing it up. So like that, dude, it's crazy, but you can lose a lot of money trading a live account. If you just blow up your live, like if you put $5,000 in a live account and you have a blow up day, all that money's gone. I'm from Alabama, USA. I don't know if I'm feeling this music though, man. I don't know about this. Try to find something else.
You write the words.
All right, let's see, man. Let's see if it's gonna hold this 30-minute bullish fair value gap and start to move it back up toward the previous day high up here. So that's what I'm watching right here. You see, we got a 30-minute bullish fair value gap, and bullish fair value gaps are supposed to act as a support. So it came down. As long as these bodies hold this 30-minute bullish fair value gap, it can continue up to that previous day high up there. So that's what we're looking at right now. Nvidia earnings today after the market closes, so might get crazy, dude. It might get crazy today. But let's go, dude. Smash the like button. We're gonna start bringing back the giveaways at 69 likes, dude. 69 likes, and we're gonna do a giveaway. So let's get it. Everybody, smash the like button. Smash the like button. Let's go, dude. All right, starting to respect this bullish fair value gap. Going back up now. Is it going to head to this previous day high? Previous day high sitting right up here. I think it is. I think it's going to respect it. Yo, appreciate it, man. Appreciate the sub, Gilton. How's it going, bro? How are you doing? Your mobile hotspot's 2 times faster than your 5G? That ain't how it's supposed to work, dude. Musta. Yeah, bro. Use code SLADE on all prop firms. If we get to 69 likes, we're going to do a giveaway. Smash the like button. Share it out, dude. 69 likes and we'll do a giveaway. Let me see. There goes gold. What's gold doing? Oh yeah, gold's pumping up. Gold swept the previous day low and pumping up there. This 30-minute candle closes in 1 minute 23 seconds. So let's see if it's going to respect this 30-minute bullish fair value gap and then work its way back up here to the previous day high. How to be emotionless in trading, bro? I mean, it's tough. You know, you take a loss, you're gonna have emotions, right? But it just comes from experience, dude. I mean, once you trade for long enough, you'll understand that losses are part of the game. It's just a way of, it's just what happens. And even like in a win, not closing too early and stuff, it's just all about the once you around long enough, you understand the data and you just know. You just know. No, bro, it will fall down. It might. It might. I'm just playing the strategy here, dude. Just showing you what the chart is showing right now. This is a bullish fair value gap. And all I'm saying is if this bullish fair value gap holds, then it's going to continue to go higher. If you get a close below this 30-minute bullish fair value gap, then you can drop lower. But as long as it's holding this 30-minute bullish fair value gap, it's going to go up. That's pretty simple, dude. If it holds the gap, it's going higher. If it closes below the gap, it's going lower. Right now, it's holding the bullish fair value gap. So, pretty simple stuff. Got people arguing in the chat, but I mean, it's holding. Dial up was a nightmare. Oh. We'll see, Manu. We'll see if you're right. Let's see. Is it gonna drop off or is it gonna pump? Dude, I don't even know how dial-up works, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm trying to think. I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you how dial-up works. Dalmar. There's just not really a setup down here. There's not really any inversions to play. I like to play the inversion for value gaps. There's just not really any. The only gap I see is kind of all the way up here. But I'm looking for these inversion fair value gaps. So if this gap up here gets inversed, so if we get a close above, then possibly good longs up to previous day high. Similar to dialing on a fax machine. Whoa. What's up, Dalmar? CISD and I don't really trade this change in state. I only trade the inversions. 1 minute IFEG, 1 minute's invalid, bro. I don't even know which one you're talking about, honestly. I mean, if you're talking about any inversions, I don't really see one, but I don't see one, bro. I see one right here, but it's not really obvious or anything. It's got to be obvious, or it doesn't, you know, doesn't mean much. Mm-mm-mm. Let's see, man. Is it going to take out that previous day high sitting right up there? Previous day high sitting right up there. It's holding this 30-minute bullish fair value gap. Looks good to continue up. Looks good. You shorted 1 day to expiration SPX 7350 puts. Should be paid. We'll see, man. That's kind of risky. We just tapped into a weekly bullish gap. So, dude, I don't know, man. We just tapped into a weekly bullish fair value gap, so could you know, move back to the upside here. Look, this is the weekly time frame, and yesterday we tapped into this bullish gap right here. So are we gonna just rip it back higher now? That's the question. I know a lot of good traders, they were watching this weekly gap. All right, starting to come down here. See what's gonna happen. Starting to push it down. Maybe we manipulate to the downside, get an inversion back to the upside. Oh, my bad, bro. I read that wrong. Heck yeah, Gapper. My bad, bro. I thought you were doing shorts. Oh yeah, I hope they print for you, dude. I got you. Yo, appreciate the follow. Let's go, dude. Come on, let's get the likes up, dude. I want to do a giveaway, but I'm trying to get start back streaming at 7. I think I like it better a little bit. Give me some time in between the streams. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Dropping down for now. It's holding. It's inside of a 30-minute gap here. So this 30-minute closes below, then it can start to drop down. Maybe it drops down back near this Asia high. But we'll see here. We will see. Watching this 30-minute gap. Watching it. Next 30-minute candle closes in 20 minutes. If it closes below here, it can drop down. If it continues to hold this 30-minute bullish gap, then it can go up to the previous day high. So just watching here. It would have been nice if it came up, swept this previous day high, and then a possible short. But we will see. We will see. Let me see if there's any other gaps down here. Sorry, it's been tapping this 15-minute gap down here. Been tapping this 15-minute. But is it gonna drop now? It's dropping down. Gapper, yeah, bro. I don't really know how to do options though. That's the thing. If I understood options, then I would. But I always heard options are tricky because of the extra time, the decay or whatever, the time decay. Like, dude, you know how mad I would be if I like got a trade right and I lost because of the time decay. I'd be mad, dude. All right. Let's see here. Time decay is our friend. Heck yeah. You might have to show me how to do some of that stuff, man. Are you in the... Join up in the Discord, bro. Let's talk about it. Because I want to... Oh, look at that. I do want to try to learn about some options. Coming down, dude. Tapped into this little gap over here. That was a spike down. Gold wick down too. Oh yeah. Gold's got a lot of trend line liquidity to the downside. Today at market close is going to be crazy, dude. Nvidia earnings, I think it can really push the market one way or the other. Right now, NASDAQ looks like it's dropping. It's tapping inside of this lower gap over here. And then you got these lows sitting right down here. So see if it's going to manipulate these lows and then inverse it back to the upside, or if it's just going to drop it off, dude. Right before taking out the previous day high sitting up here. Been trading since 2000, full time since 2017. Oh yeah, bro, I need to, dude. I need to. Maybe I start watching some options videos. You got any good videos I can watch to learn? Cause I do, dude. I see a bunch of people killing it with options. Like, I don't know if you know Desi on Twitter or X, but he trades 0 DTEs, and like, I guess like you're trading right now. He kills it, dude. He's always posting like $50,000 days and stuff. It's insane. Trading options. But he plays his for 0. So whatever he puts in, they're either going to win or they're going to go to 0. Mike and his whiteboard via tasting. Let me look it up, bro. Let me see, because I'm trying to learn. Mike and his whiteboard. Yo, we got 10,700 subs. Let's go. Appreciate it. Heck yeah, dude. I found it. I'm gonna save that playlist. Sweet. Sell options. Heck yeah, dude. What's up behind the name? Manu Raj says moving upside. We'll see, dude. We will see. It's about to turn bullish here, man. Just gonna keep on dropping. Might be a good time to long it, dude. Just got an inversion. Got a 5-minute gap sitting up here. Might be a good time to long. You just got this inversion to the upside. Got a 5-minute gap sitting up here that hasn't been tapped into yet. Sitting right up there. Uh-oh. Dropping. Huh. That inversion didn't play out. Still wanting to drop. Going after these lows now. All right, boom. Took them out. All right, let's see if it works its way back up now after sweeping these lows over here. Swept these lows. This would actually be a better time for a long. Sweeping the lows there. And now if you get an inversion, could be a good long setup. Swept these lows right here. Boom. Sweep of the lows. Can we get a long setup back to the upside now? Got the Asia high sitting right up here too. Sweeping some 30-minute lows right here inside of another 30-minute gap. See if it's gonna pop it back to the upside now after sweeping out these lows. Can it pop it back up, dude? Hit that like button for me. Let's go. Let's get the likes up. If when we start getting back to like 60, 70 likes, we'll do some giveaways on the stream. Every day we get the likes up, we'll do giveaways, but we got to get them back up. Let's see. Can we get an inverse right here? Inverse possible longs. We swept the lows down here. And now can we get a long back to the upside? Sweeping these lows down here. This one looks pretty good. You got the previous day high sitting up there. I'd watch this 2-minute gap right here. 2-minute, wait on this 2-minute to get inverse. If this 2-minute gets inverse, I think it could be definitely a good long because you still have a 5-minute bearish gap sitting up here that has not been tapped into yet. So if this 2-minute can get a closure above, looks pretty good to long it. Need that 2-minute to close above though. It's not gonna do it. So it didn't close yet. Let's see, is it gonna close above there? Did the 1 minute close? 1 minute didn't close either. Let's see if we can get a 2 minute closure above this gap here. 2 minute closure, possible longs. Yo, appreciate it. What we got? Appreciate the sub right there. Can we get a move back to the upside here? Tap into this 5 minute bearish gap and then possibly take out these highs. And then if it keeps on going, we can move up to the previous day high sitting right up here. So looking for that move back to the upside. See if we can get it. All right, so it looks like you're gonna get this closure above this 2 minute gap. There's the closure right there. Now, will it pump is the question. You got a 2 minute inversion right here. 2 minute inversion. Can it pump? Two-minute inversion. Can it come up to this 5 minute bearish gap? And then boom, take out the highs up here. The question. That's the question. Can this thing move back to the upside? Doesn't look like it really wants to now. Retesting the 2-minute inversion here. Can it start to move up now? Can it start to move up? Find some support and move it back up. How do you enter the giveaway? Well, we are not at the like goal, so there's gonna be no entering. No entering because we did not make it yet. Did not make it to the like goal. Gotta get those likes up. Still doesn't want to move up. Just not ready. Not ready yet. Let's see. 2-minute candle still hasn't closed below this inversion. So it's invalidated if a 2-minute candle if a candle closes back below this inversion. You see, this wick is okay, but if the body closes back below here, that's when it's invalidated. So you see it wick down, but the body's still holding it, so it's still good. As long as it can start to move back to the upside here, it's good. No invalidation yet. The invalidation would be if a candle body closed back below, and that hasn't happened yet. So come on, baby, pump. Pump. There we go. Come tag this 5-minute fair value gap up here. Come tag this 5-minute bearish gap, dude. You know you want to. You want it. I know you do. You want it. You want it. Oh yeah, there we go. Get a little pump now. Come on, pump it up. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, there's the pump. There's the pump. Go tag that 5-minute bearish gap up there. Go tag it. Go tag this 5-minute bearish gap. Still hadn't tapped it yet. It wants to, though. It wants to get up there. Come on, tap the gap. Tap the gap. 5-minute bearish gap. You should be taking some profits at that gap, or at least moving a break even once it taps that 5-minute bearish gap. Remember, it's a bearish fair value gap, so it could reject it. It could tap it and reject and move back to the downside. So you want to be taking some profits or at least moving to break even at that gap. There it goes, tapping the gap. Or at least the Forex pair tapped it. Let's see if we're going to tap it here. Forex, NAS 100 already tapped that gap. But NQ still waiting around here. There it is. There's the gap tap. Bang, boys. Bang, bang, bang. There it is. What did it sweep? Let me show you, dude. So we swept these lows right over here. It was a low inside of a 30-minute bullish gap. So you got a 30-minute bullish gap right here. It swept a low inside of a 30-minute bullish gap. So that's a pretty strong, you know, sweep. So you got the 30-minute wick low right there, and then you got a 30-minute gap. So it swept those lows. If you look to the left here, you can see some lows sitting right here, and it swept these lows. So swept those lows and then pumped it back to the upside. So there we go. Now we're getting that pump, dude. Are we going to previous day high? So this 5-minute bearish gap was your first target right there, and then you got these highs sitting up here. So 5-minute bearish gap, and then these highs, and then from there you got previous day highs sitting up here. So let's see, maybe it comes back and taps into this bullish gap for a little retrace and then a move back up. So could see something like this right here where it comes back down to here and then you get this move back up, but we'll see. We will see, dude. Took out that 5-minute gap, but it's past my time, dudes. I'm about to head off of here. Past my time. I gotta get going. Let's see if it can come pump up and take out the previous day high from here. Got that 2-minute inversion set up after sweeping this sell side. And let's see. There it goes. Starting to move it up. Yeah, Fretzer, they're playing around today. They ain't getting it. We got to get the likes up. Remember, I'll be here every morning, 7 a.m. for the pre-market party, dude. Make sure you're here. Make sure you're here. And every day, dude, if we get the likes up, we'll do giveaways. So make sure you're here. Still streaming New York? Yeah, bro. I'll be on New York in the Discord. Let's go. But all right, guys, banger right there. It's moving up. About to take out these highs. Dude. I took this one, not gonna lie. I took it, trailed stops, and I got trailed out for about $100. But it's still going. Still going, dude. Is it gonna go to the previous day high? What up, Aniket? I'm actually heading off. I was streamed at 7 this morning. I'm gonna start streaming back at 7 o'clock, and then that way I get a little break before New York session. So I'm about to head off, guys. I'll be back. Yeah, I'll be back for the New York session if you're in the Discord. So make sure you join up in the Discord. And yeah, I'll see you guys in about an hour. If you're there. If not, I'll see you tomorrow at 7 a.m. on, you know, the free stream. But I'm out of here, boys. I'm out of here.